Welcome to Akses RCBD, India's #1 RCC building design software. In this video, we are going to learn how to merge two different projects. Click on Login. Click on Open Project button. Select project name. Click Open to continue. Using the same procedure which we have learned earlier, I have already created another project for the second slab level. Let us check that project. Click on Open Project button. Select Name Second Floor. Click Open to continue. Second slab project is visible. Note that level of this slab is 6000 mm. Let us merge this project with Project 1. Click on Open Project button. Select Name Project 1. Click Open to continue. Project 1 is visible. Press Hold Alt key and click on Open Project button. Click Yes to continue. Select Name Second Floor. Click Merge to continue. A new project with name Project 1_merged is created. Click OK to continue. Click on Open Project button. Select Name Project 1_merged. Click Open to continue. Merged project is visible. Click on Plan in the status bar. Click on Rotate X button. First slab and second slab is visible in the isometric view. Click on Isometric in the status bar. Use left click and right click to view different slab levels in the plan view. Akses RCBD. Download a free demo at www.akses.in. Thanks for watching this video. Please call 9049004901 if you need any assistance.